All right, traders, what's up? We got the first day of 2022 in the books. This is the watch list video now for Tuesday, January 4th. The SPY gapped up today and pretty strong close, pretty darn close to all-time highs. Still a pretty slow day. I'm being really selective and trying to only trade the setups that we teach off the watch list or gap playlist. I did call RELI this morning. This vertical line here shows you it opened right there. That was the beginning of today, 5-minute candles. And the idea I typed in the room, I posted first the volume spike on this candle. You know, it was heading up. There's the early high of day. And my idea was ORB, which is opening range breakout, has Friday's high just above, which would have been right about here, I guess. So you had a catalyst just above, in other words. And from the 687 high of day break idea, this thing went up to over 950 at one point. I'll show you on the real-time chart before reversing. So that was kind of a neat play. Again, on the real live chart here, right there was the entry. And never really looked back either. So nice little trade from today. Not a lot of highlights though, so I'll just leave that one because that was the biggest mover that I called. GNPX, these are things I'm going to watch tomorrow. Certainly a big move, extended, but I want to watch it tomorrow. GILT, big volume and a strong close. See if we get an A+ setup in that one tomorrow. IVAC, same thing, big volume, pretty strong close. Topped out pretty close to 6, so potential whole number catalyst tomorrow if it trades right? IBRX, kind of just chopping around sideways, but a little extra volume today and up near. This high back here was right around $8. Today's high, 760, and it closed, I think, at 753. So a couple potential catalysts to break up today's high, and then maybe we break through 8 and kind of get a breakout. It's kind of an obscure one, but it did show up on a relative volume scanner today. SPRB, still coiling. Someone said something about a big shelf the other day. I want to say 200 million or something crazy. So I kind of took my eyes off it, but you know what? I'm looking at it and it's holding up pretty well. So I'm going to put it back on long watch because it's pretty coiled after that big volume spike a couple weeks ago. NTRB is interesting because it had the big volume on Friday. Today, kind of a quiet inside day, topped out right around $10, so maybe through 10 tomorrow. But actually, in after hours right now, it's trading over 10, so we'll see. Anyway, it definitely goes on long watch. HLTH had a nice run back here, came back down to that buy zone and is curling back up. I'm not in love with that setup, but as you've heard in my videos lately, I can't find much. So some of these are kind of, I don't know, sketchy is not the right word. Some of them are kind of, I'm on the fence about them. Like they probably wouldn't make my normal watch list video, but there's so few outliers out there right now that I'm kind of having to expand my horizons a little bit. Doesn't mean I'm going to trade it anyway, but maybe we get a setup, right? ISIG, I said I would like it to come down another day. We did get that today. It's near the 8-day now, so I like it better than I did coming into today as a potential bounce play, all right? And then lastly, INDP, I don't know what's going on with this, but in after hours, it's trading at 723, so potential gapper tomorrow. Again, a small list. We'll take it easy and make sure we have an A+ setup, and that's it. I'm going to leave it at that, and I'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.